Hey everybody, Blaise here, and I just want to give you guys an update. We're about halfway through all of our lifetime membership sales, so they're going fast. And once again, I want to let you guys know that our lifetime membership sales we created specifically to help us fund finishing Snow Bear. All of our post-production, our scoring, paying the composer, the Foley artist, all that kind of stuff. That all needs money, and so we are raising funds for that, and we came up with a lifetime membership to creatureartteacher.com. About half of them are sold, and if you're interested in helping us finish Snow Bear and becoming a lifetime member to creatureartteacher.com with over 700 hours of content, art lessons, animation, and that's going to continue to grow over the years. Go on over to creatureartteacher.com and you can help us finish Snow Bear by becoming a lifetime member. I also want to let you know that our animation mega bundle is about halfway to unlocking its next course, which is my character design course. So the animation mega bundle includes all of my animation courses, plus the more it sells, the more courses we add to it. There's fundamentals of animation. Those are the 12 principles that I talk about. I talk about how to create a scene. I talk about dialogue. There's acting for animation, advanced acting for animation, how to break down the mechanics of a shot. We've got courses in Procreate Dreams. I've got courses in how to do walk cycles, runs, trots, all kinds of great stuff. So go on over to creatureartteacher.com, become a lifetime member, or purchase my animation mega bundle and help us finish Snow Bear. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.